The special session of the Sangguniang Panglungsod is about to commence. Everyone, please rise.
As the elected city vice mayor and the presiding officer, yung gavel po. This first special session is now called to order. Roll call, please.
The members of the Sangguniang Panglungsod, Honorable Michael Gerard T. Morada, Honorable Galileo P. Angeles, Honorable Jennifer Spaiti Toledo, Honorable Oscar M. Gozos II, Honorable Rio Nicole H. Ronquillo, Honorable Venice D. Manalo, Honorable Miguel P. Lina III, Honorable Merlo P. Silva, Honorable Avior R. Rocafort, Honorable Ralph Peter S. Umali, Honorable Aris D. Macari, Honorable Percival V. Lojo, Honorable Windy Pilat, Honorable Angela Antoinette B. Bautista, and the presiding officer, Honorable City Vice Mayor Camille Angeline M. Lopez.
Do we have a quorum?
We have a quorum.
May I request the Honorable Merlo Silva for the leading of the invocation and the singing of the national anthem.
Thank you, Madam Chair, and good morning, everybody. Sa mandali ho nating ilagay ang ating sarili sa presensya ng ating Panginoong buhay. Diyos na buhay, na may gawa ng langit at lupa, kami po ay taus-pusong nagpapasalamat sa biyaya ng buhay na patuloy mong pinagkakaloob sa amin. Gayun din, Panginoon, sa mga biyaya na aming tinatanggap sa araw-araw. Maraming salamat, Panginoon. Ganun din, Panginoon, sana sa tuwi na lingapin mo ang mga naglilingkod sa iyo, naglilingkod sa lungsod na Lipa, at lingapin mo rin ang aming mga kababayan sa lungsod na Lipa. Ganun din, Panginoon, sa umagang ito ay inihiling namin na sana kung ano man ang aming pagtatalakayan, ano man ang aming pagdidibati at ano man pa aming pagkakasunduan ay naaayon sa iyong kalooban sa ikabubuti ng aming kababayan at ng aming bayan. At ang lahat ng ito, Panginoon, ay hinihiling namin sa pamamagitan ng iyong anak na si Jesus Cristo na naghahari noon kayo at magpasawalang hanggan. Amen. Hello, guys. Tapos na. Ating ilagay ang ating kanang kamay sa ating sa kaliwang bahagi ng ating dibdib at buo nating giting na awitin ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Good morning everyone po. So we would like to acknowledge the presence po of the Honorable Barangay Chairmans from Barangay 4 po, Cap Paulo, and from Barangay Bugtong, Cap Hener. At sa atin din pong mga konsehal, Konsehal Espiritu, and ayan, Konsehal Umali. Ayan. Good morning po. Welcome to Sangguniang Panlunsod po. Good morning din po sa lahat ng staff, sa secretariat po, and to the august body. So we now proceed with the privilege hour. Honorable SK Fed AA Bautista, you are recognized.
Good morning po sa mga kasamahan natin today. Madam Chair, I move for a motion to recognize Mario Hener, a student from Barangay Lumbang who competed sa atin pong division meet. He is the sole winner and the gold medalist of Taekwondo po. Siya lang po yung winner sa public school po.
Nandito ba?
Wala po. Resolution.
Resolution lang. Okay. Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Youth.
Madam Chair, I move this matter be considered urgent.
Any second? Duly seconded. Discussion, objection, hearing none. The motion is hereby approved for urgency.
Madam Chair, I move that this matter be approved for the third and final reading.
And be exempted. Can you please state the motion?
The motion is to recognize Mario Hener of Barangay Lumbang, the sole winner of our division meet na gold medalist po ng Taekwondo.
To be approved.
That this matter be approved for the third and final reading.
Be exempted.
And be accepted po.
From the three reading principle.
Exempt from the three reading principle.
And is jointly moved by Honorable Silva Toledo Loho, seconded by Honorable Macala Lina Angeles, objection, and Umali. Jointly moved as well by Honorable Gozos. Okay, ulitin ko lang po. Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, Lat, Toledo, Loho, Rocafort, Gozos. Seconded by Honorable Manalo, Macala, Lina. Objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Privilege. Honorable Silva, you are recognized.
Magandang umaga ulit, Madam Chair. Napapansin ho natin siguro sa pang-araw-araw natin hong papunta dito sa City Hall at pagpunta ho ng Robinson, itong ating mga rotonda. Atin nung tingnan, ito gaho ay nakakadagdag atraksyon sa Lungsod ng Lipa. Ito ba gaho ay nagpapakilala na ang Lungsod ng Lipa ay dapat ho nating ipagmalaki na kung saan ho ay inaproban ho natin na ang Lungsod ng Lipa ay tawaging City of Pride. Ano ho, Madam Chair? Alam niyo, tingnan ho natin ang rotonda. Sabi nga ho, during the time of Mayor Sabile, ang rotonda ho noon ay bato, ay parang ho, mas magaling pa ho na ito ay kulungan ng itik. Baka ho sakaling magkakaroon ho at mangingitlog. Ay ngayon ho nakita ho natin, siguro it's about time na sa panahong ito, ay atin nung pagandahin ang rotonda ho natin dito po sa may Robinson at dito ho sa may dito sa may Sabang. Siguro tingnan ho natin kung ano magagawa ho natin para mapaganda ho at ito'y magdagdag attraction ho sa Lungsod ng Lipa. At alam mo nyo, yung galing ho kami sa parte hong Mindanao, nakikita ho namin kung paano ho nila ipropaganda ang kanilang mga bayan sa katulad doon ng Misamis Occidental, katulad doon dito sa Dipolog City. Yun yung pangalan ng kanilang mga bayan. Ang gaganda ho ng pagkakagawa ho. Siguro, tingnan din ho natin mapag-aralan na tayo magkaroon ho ng mga ganun din hong klaseng marker. Kaya siguro, Madam Chair, please refer it to the proper committee at nasa ganun, Madam Chair, magkaroon ho ito ng katuparan at siguro, it's about time na tayo magising na ang Lungsod ng Lipa ay dapat ho nating ipagmalaki. Sabi nga ho ng ating mayor na sa tuwi na, alalahanin natin na tayo ay mamamayan ng Lungsod ng Lipa. Madam Chair.
Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Beautification.
Thank you. Sa pa, Madam Chair, siguro rin ho, sa pagkakataong ito na tayo ho ang narito sa panahon ito, ay bigyan ho natin ng pansin. Ito hong mga katulong natin sa mga barangay, functionaries ho ng barangay. Alam natin ho lahat na ang isang barangay official ay wala hong hindi ho magtatagumpay sa kanila ho mga proyekto. Ganon din ho ang lungsod Dalipa, tayo, ay hindi rin ho magtatagumpay kung hindi ho tayo tutulungan ng mga functionaries ng atin ng mga barangay sa lungsod Dalipa. Pero ano ga ho ang naiibigay ng pamahalaan ng lungsod Dalipa sa atin ng mga functionaries na ito? Naalaala ba natin ho sila? Kaya lang siguro naalala pagka tayo may mga ipagagawa. Pero sa tuwi ng Madam Chair, aminin natin hindi, kailangan ho natin ang mga functionaries sa barangay. At siguro, para lalo ho magsipag, mabigyan ho natin ng mga kaunti hong benefits o kaunti hong konsiderasyon. Kaya ho, sa umagang ito, iminumungkahi ko ho ng atin ng mga functionaries na ito sa ating barangay sa pamagitan ho ng chairman ng Committee on Appropriation at ng Sangguniang Palunsod ay magbigyan ho ng mga birthday gift amounting 1,500 pagkada birthday nila. Siguro, Madam Chair, ilan lamang ho at magkano lamang siguro ang i-appropriate natin yearly for that purpose. At ito naman ho ay, bagamat mali ito, yung aking proposal na ito, ay ito'y magiging malaki naman ng bagay para sa mga functionaries ng lungsod ho ng Lipa, Madam Chair. Kaya, please refer to the proper committee at ako ho ay maghahanda ho ko ng draft ordinance on this regards, Madam Chair. Please refer to the proper committee.
Thank you, Honorable Merlo Silva. Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Appropriations and Barangay Affairs. Lead committee will be the Committee on Appropriations. Privilege, Honorable Attorney Gali Angeles, you are recognized.
Good morning, Madam Chair. Isa pong privilege speech is about additional complaints against Amia Rosa. So, meron po mga nagko-complain pa rin ng mga tao regarding dun sa kanilang mga bahay at dun sa mga lupang binili nila. I respectfully move that it be referred to the appropriate committee.
Meron na po prior, no?
Same committee na rin po sa amin, Committee on Real Estate.
I-consolidate na lang po
Apo.
with the previews.
Pa.
Tapos na. Another na. Okay.
So, new referral na lang to.
Oo.
Kung may resolution.
Okay. Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Real Estate.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you.
Likewise, there is a request from the Office of the City Mayor regarding for the concurrence of appointment of our city engineer in the person of Engineer Ireneo M. Adaya to the position of City Government Department Head, City Engineer, Department Head 1, City Engineer, and also concurrence of appointment for the position of City Government Department Head 1, City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Officer in the person of Mr. Leonardo D. Tadeja. I respectfully move that it be referred to the appropriate committee.
Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Good Government.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Privilege? Wala na po. Honorable Silva, you are recognized.
Dagdag lang ho at kami nagkausap po ni Konsehal Lat. Madam Chair, may mga tanong lamang po. Yung gahong mga pagpapakabit ho ng kontador, is there a need talaga ho na dumaan ho sa engineering office na kahit ho ang ilalagay lamang ay isa ho lamang barong-barong or isang rest house na maliit, bawang kubo ho, pahingahan, na nangangailangan lamang ho, siyempre ng ilaw. Yung kay kinakailangan pa hong dumaan kaya sa engineering office o pa sa ganun, Madam Chair, ay dahil kasi maliit lamang, dami hong proseso. Hindi ka ho pwedeng direktamente na lamang sa Batilec ho yun. Dahil building permit, pagka building ho, we understand na pag building, alam natin ho na yung gawang isang kubo na yung gahoy may consider natin na building na nangangailangan pa ng mga permit ho from engineering at magiging requirement para makapagpakabit ho sa Batilec, Madam Chair. Please refer to the proper committee na sa ganun, Madam Chair, ay makita ho natin yung kalinawan ho. At madami hong nagtatanong ho sa atin ho para ho sa mga bagay na yun, Madam Chair.
So, matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Public Utilities. Privilege. Wala na po. We now proceed with the reading of the minutes of the preceding session and approval of the same. Honorable Attorney Gali Angeles, you are recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. I respectfully move for the approval of the minutes of the March 13, 2024 regular session and to dispense with the reading of the same.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Manalo, Silva, Loho, Makala. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved. Thank you.
Agree.
Okay. Proposed ordinances and resolutions for second reading. Honorable Attorney Gali Angeles, you are recognized.
I respectfully move for approval for second reading of Committee Report Number Agri 2024-002 concerning the amendment concerning the passage of an ordinance repealing Tax Ordinance Number 235 Series of 2022 for the free use of a four-wheel tractor for the land preparation services of Lefeño farmers.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Makala Gozos. Discussion, Honorable Silva, you are recognized.
Ito gahoy ordinansa o resolution.
Ordinansa po.
But according to the report, the request is resolution.
Sorry, parang dito ako nag... can I have a 1 minute recess?
I'm declaring a recess. Session resumes. Honorable Silva, you are recognized.
I really know the sympathy of yung ibig sabihin, no? Kasi may ordinansa na tayo, Madam Chair, at nakakapagtaka, at ang gusto ho lang ng Chief Executive ay resolution pertaining on that particular subject matter, Madam Chair. Kaya siguro, tanungin natin, ano ba ang gusto nilang talagang gusto? Is a mere resolution or based on the committee hearing ay nakita ho ng committee na dapat baguhin ang ilang provision ng ordinansa. There's a need of amendment. So sa akin tingin ay baka ho pwede na atin ng tawagan ng pansin ng Chief Executive Office upang malaman ho natin na ano ho talaga ang kailangan ho nila, Madam Chair. Siguro, repair back or...
Okay. As a matter of fact, an ordinance cannot be repealed by a mere resolution. Ano? So, it seems that there are clarifications to be made regarding this so that it will be cleared. If it's going to be a resolution being requested, so, and now we are working on the ordinance, so I think we have to make the records clear. So, in view of this, I submit to the sound discretion of the chair on how she is going to treat this matter.
Abi?
I object to the deferment of the...
No, wala namang nagdi-deferred.
Honorable Rocafort, you are recognized.
Ano lang?
may tanong lang. Hindi, gawa ng ano, para pagka inayos yung ordinance. Madam Chair, yung pong 2,000 na nakalagay dun sa tax ordinance number 235, maaari po bang malaman kung saan ginagamit? Yung list, saan na pupunta?
Sa ano yan? Maintenance ng tractor. Sa mga parts, syempre mga gastos din. Kung
Hindi po
mga
sa
maintenance. Hindi po. Yung gasolina, sagot po nung ano. Sagot po nung nagpapatraktora yung gasolina, yun lang po use ng traktora. Siguro for maintenance din ng traktora to
Okay,
help
madam.
maintain.
Okay po. Nilinaw ko lang po kung saan ginagamit. Gawa po kung sa gasolina, ang sunod ko po sanang itatanong ay kung magkano yung ilalagay ng LGU pag ipinahiram nila sa nanghihiram po ng traktor. Considering na hindi naman po sa gasolina na pupunta yung 2,000 at sa maintenance, wala po akong masyadong tanong pa dito, Madam Chair.
Salamat po.
Okay po. Honorable King Umali, may gusto po ba kayong sabihin?
Hello, yes. Thank you, Madam Presiding. Ito naman po ay i-remind ko lang po ang body na yung pong tractor na tawag dito, na pinag-uusapan na rental, yung tractor po ay galing sa Department of Agriculture. Yan po ay may MOA ang city with the Department of Agriculture. So, ibig sabihin po, dapat yan ay nakakatulong sa mga farmers. Kaya po itong traktora na nagkaroon po ng rental rate ay ang tawag dito, sorry, nawala. Hello? Oo. Kaya sa pinarilitil, para mawala na yung rental rate ng traktora dahil nga yan ay may MOA with DDA. So, yun ang dahilan nitong committee report. Ang question na lamang po is kung kailangan bang ordinance ang kailangan ipasa para i-repeal yung dito yung previous ordinance or resolution or whatever. Yun lang lamang po ang ating committee. Hello?
Hindi po pwedeng ang resolution lamang kasi mas mataas po ang antas ng ordinansa kasi isang resolution. So, pwede lang pong makapagbago sa isang ordinansa ay isa pong bagong ordinansa din. So, titingnan na lang po natin kung babaguhin po ng Office of the Mayor ang request nila. Kung may resolution ay hindi po natin papayagan dahil hindi po talaga kakayanin. Pero kung mag-a-amend sila ng request to amend it in such a way that the request is going to be a passage of an ordinance, amending or repealing another ordinance, yun po ang po pwedeng pag-aralan at mapagbigyan po siguro.
Okay po, kung ano, i-defer na lang natin. I'm amenable naman kung yun ang ating kapalit. Thank you, Madam Chair.
With the view of the chairman of the Committee on Agriculture, at amenable naman po siya for the deferment. So, Madam Chair, I move for the deferment of that committee report. Committee report number 2024-00443, Madam Chair.
Any second for deferment? Any second? Wala po next. Seconded by Honorable Toledo. There was an objection. So may I know po who... Sino pa?
Reason.
Madam Chair, yung reason lang po. Madam Chair, kaya po ako nag-o-object kasi po, pwede naman po tanungin ngayong oras na ito, nandiyan naman po ang ating City Mayor kung ano po talaga yung request nila. Padalwa, nag-conduct po ng committee hearing ang chair ng Agri. And based po sa sinasabi po ni Consel King kanina, ang discussion na lamang po ay kung resolution or ordinance. Na-clarify na naman po ni Attorney Gali na kailangan po nating i-repeal yung ordinance for that matter. So, kung ang request po ng City Mayor ay mere resolution, understood naman po natin dito sa Sanggunian na hindi po maaaring resolution ng ating ilabas, kundi kailangan po nating i-repeal yung ordinance para po maging libre yung paggamit ng traktor na ito para po sa ating mga farmers. So, Madam Chair, kaya po ako nag-a-against kasi pwede naman po i-clarify na po ngayong araw na to sa office ng City Mayor kung ano po talaga yung kanilang request kasi para po maaprubahan na rin po within the day yung kanilang request, Madam Chair. That's why po ako nag-object sa deferment. Thank you po.
I'm declaring a recess. Session resumes.
Thank you.
Honorable Merlo Silva, you are recognized. Kindly reiterate your motion po. Yes po.
With the permission of the chairman of the Committee on Agriculture, again, I reiterate my motion for the deferment of this subject matter. I move for the deferment.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Toledo. Discussion, objection. Sino po yung abstain? Honorable Rocafort and Honorable Gossos. And then the rest po, yes. Okay. The motion is hereby approved. Honorable Dr. Percival Loho, you are recognized.
Good morning, Madam Chair. I would like to seek approval of Committee Report on Health 2024-002, requesting the August body for the passage of a resolution granting authority to the City Mayor of Lipa to enter into a memorandum of agreement with Operation Smile Philippines Foundation Incorporated for the conduct of free reconstructive surgery to children and young adults with cleft for second reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Silva, Rocafort, Toledo, Lina, Angeles. Discussion and Bautista. Discussion, objection, hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the second reading. Business for the day.
Business for the day. Number 1, letter of the City Mayor requesting for a resolution granting authority to purchase health service delivery vehicle to be taken from the trust fund account to CHO PhilHealth Health Center Healthcare Institution charges.
Jointly referred to the Committee on Appropriations and Health. Lead committee will be the Committee on Appropriations.
Number 2, letter of the City Mayor requesting the passage of a resolution granting authority to the City Mayor of Lipa and or Dr. Imelda V. Sasyoko, Chief of Lipa City Hospital Systems, to open a bank account relative to PhilHealth Circular Number 2017-2020.
Refer to the Committee on Health.
Number 3, letter of the City Mayor requesting for a resolution acting on the request of the residents of Porok 7, Barangay Pangaw, Lipa City on the establishment of right-of-way beside the Azalea Vista subdivision.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use.
Number 4 to number 8, reclassification requests of various owners for properties located at various barangay.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use.
Number 9, letter of the City Administrator forwarding the request of Lieutenant General Galileo Gerard Quintanar for the issuance of special use permit for the proposed private resort to be located at Barangay Bagong Pook, Lipa City.
Refer to the Committee on Land Use.
Number 10, letter of the Revenue District Officer acknowledging the receipt of Resolution Number 496-2024.
Refer to the Committee on Ways and Means. Resolutions and ordinances for the third and final reading. Honorable Dr. Percival Loho, you are recognized.
Would like to seek approval for the passage of a resolution requesting the August body granting authority to the City Mayor of Lipa to enter into a memorandum of agreement with Operation Smile Philippines Foundation Incorporated for the conduct of free reconstructive surgery to children and young adults with cleft for the third and final reading.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, Manalo, Rocafort, seconded by Honorable Angeles Lina Toledo, Bautista, Lat. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading. Other matters, Honorable Junjun Gosos, you are recognized.
Madam Chair, motion for urgency po with regards to item number 6 in the business for the day. Reclassification request from residential to commercial use of Aimee Harina with an area of 259 square meters located po at Barangay Mataas na Lupa. Motion for urgency, Madam Chair.
Duly seconded. Discussion? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for urgency.
Madam Chair, I would like to request an ordinance classifying the property of Ms. Aimee Harina with an area of 259 square meters from residential to commercial use located at Barangay Mataas na Lupa and the same be excused from the three reading principle and approved for third and final reading.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Lina Loho. Objection? Lat. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, motion for urgency po ulit with regards to the following matters. Reclassification request from agricultural to agro-industrial use of Honorable Tashiano Mea with an area of 1,800 square meters located po at Barangay Talisay, and may request din po sila ng specialist permit for their proposed dressing plant. Next po, reclassification request from residential to commercial use of Mr. Jose Chan with an area of 400 square meters located at Barangay Sabang. Reclassification request from residential to commercial use of Alan Vertuso with an area of 59 square meters located at Barangay Pangao. Reclassification request from residential to commercial use of Mr. Roel de Ocampo with an area of 198 square meters located po at Barangay Sabang. And reclassification request from residential agricultural to commercial use of Maylene P. Corto with an area of 350 square meters located po at Barangay Plaridel. Motion for urgency, Madam Chair.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Loho, Lat, Makala. Discussion? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for urgency.
Madam Chair, I would like to request an ordinance classifying the property of Honorable Tashiano Mea with an area of 1,800 square meters located at Barangay Talisay, and the same be excused from the three reading principle and approved for third and final reading.
Any second? Any second? Seconded by Honorable Makala. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, I would like to request a resolution granting authority to the City Mayor, Mayor Eric Africa, to issue a specialist permit to Honorable Tashiano Mea for their proposed dressing plant located at Barangay Talisay, and the same be excused from the reading principle and approved for third and final reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Makala. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, hindi ko lang po malaman kung saan po ilalagay pala, kung sa ordinance o sa resolution, kasi po ilalagay po nila i-dressing plan, so pala, please include na lamang po na they should abide sa lahat po ng environmental laws regarding po sa approval ng dressing plant na ilalagay po doon sa property. Next po, reclassification, Madam Chair, I would like to request an ordinance classifying the property of Jose Chan with an area of 400 square meters from residential to commercial use located at Barangay Sabang, and the same be excused from the reading principle and approved for third and final reading.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Loho, and Makala. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, I would like to request an ordinance classifying the property of Alan Vertuso with an area of 59 square meters located po at Barangay Pangaw from residential to commercial use, and the same be excused from the three reading principle and approved for third and final reading.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Macala and Loho. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Next po, Madam Chair, I would like to request an ordinance classifying the property of Mr. Roel de Ocampo with an area of 198 square meters from residential to commercial use located at Barangay Sabang, and the same be excused from the three reading principle and approved for third and final reading.
Any second? Seconded by Honorable Macala. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Next po, Madam Chair, may I request for an ordinance classifying the property of Miss Mylene P. Corto with an area of 350 square meters from residential agricultural to commercial use located at Barangay Plaridel, and the same be excused from the rereading principle and approved for third and final reading.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Macala and Loho. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
And last po, Madam Chair, please refer po sa Committee on Land Use the reclassification request of Mr. Vicente de Maculangan and Maria Baltasar for the reclassification of their property with an area of 1,000 square meters from agricultural to commercial use located at Barangay Bagong Puok, and may request din po sila for special use permit for their proposed resort.
Matter brought up is referred to the Committee on Land Use.
Madam Chair, motion for urgency with that matter.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Macala. Discussion? Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for urgency.
Madam Chair, I would like to request an ordinance classifying the property of Mr. Vicente de Maculangan from agricultural to commercial use with an area of 1,000 square meters located at Barangay Bagong Puok, and the same be excused from the three reading principle and approved for third and final reading.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Macala. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Madam Chair, I would like to request a resolution granting authority to the City Mayor, Mayor Eric Africa, to issue a special use permit to Mr. Vicente de Maculangan for their proposed resort located at Barangay Bagong Puok, and the same be excused from the three reading principle and approved for third and final reading.
Jointly moved by Honorable Silva, seconded by Honorable Macala. Objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved for the third and final reading.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Any other matters po? There is a motion for adjournment. Any second? Duly seconded. Session is now adjourned. Maraming salamat po.